Hey, idiot.
Please leave me alone.
What's 7/300 of a fraction, decimal, percent?
I don't know.
Aiden, come here. What just happened?
He punched me.
Why?
Because I don't know my fractions, percents, and decimals.
If you come tomorrow, I can teach you.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Hello, Aiden. So, tell me what you know about fractions, decimals, and percents.
Well, I do know that the number is usually at 1.
No. So, define the fraction and percentage of a decimal. First, a decimal like 64 hundredths. First, you have 64 as the numerator and 100 as the denominator. So if you have a decimal like 64 hundredths, you make 64 the numerator and 100 the denominator, and then you simplify by 4 if possible, and you get 16 over 25. If you want to convert a decimal to a percent, you first make a decimal like 64 hundredths. You make 64 the percent because both a decimal and a percent are out of 100. Do you understand?
Yes, but can you please explain the ways to change percent to fraction and decimal, please?
Sure. So, to convert a percentage to a decimal, you use the mustache method. You move the decimal point 2 times to the left. So, if you have a percent, you make it like this, and then you erase the percent sign, and you have a decimal. I'll teach you how to convert a percent to a fraction. So, if you have a percent like 96%, first you erase the percent sign, and then you add 100 beneath it, which is the denominator. Then you simplify it, and you get 48 fiftieths. And then you simplify it again, and you get 24 over 25. That is how you convert a percent to a fraction.
I get it now, but can you teach me how to change a fraction to a percent and decimal, please?
So to convert a fraction to a decimal, you divide the numerator by the denominator, and the quotient or decimal is the answer. To find out how to get fractions to percents, you imagine that the numerator is a cowboy and the denominator is the horse. So the person goes inside the house, and then you divide the numerator by the denominator, and if it is 4/5, you get 80%, because 8/10 mustache, and then you add percent sign.
Thank you, Mr. Claflin.
No problem, man.
What's the percentage of 45 hundredths?
25%, 25 over 100, 75 to 9 hundredths.
How'd you know?
Okay, home practice.